In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you'll never be left without music, calls, or entertainment when you need it most. Learn how to easily charge your AirPods, earbuds, or earphones using your smartphone when you don't have access to a wall charger. Whether you're traveling, outdoors, or simply misplaced your charging adapter, this quick and practical method will keep your devices powered up on the go. This can be done using an iPhone, Android device, iPad, or tablet similar to how you charge your devices through a computer. It's often most convenient with a smartphone since you carry it everywhere, and you can power your AirPods with just a simple cable. Grab your phone charging cable, and since I am using an iPhone 15, I will use the Type-C cable. Connect one end to the iPhone and the other end to the AirPods. This allows you to give your AirPods just enough charge for emergencies until you have access to a regular charger. However, this depends on the brand and model of your smartphone and earbuds. Older smartphones may require a different cable, such as micro USB for Android devices or Lightning for earlier iPhone models. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.